As I stated on my last video, I had to get new mud flaps because of my side skirt. These are Rokblokz Mudflaps for Model 3. The rear ones are actually Premium A and Rokblokz Mudflaps installed together. I used 3M Extreme double-sided tape and Rokblokz hardware to mount them. It's bolted in using Rokblokz hardware, and I put a double-sided tape here and along the contour line. And they turned out pretty good. I had to take Premium A mudflaps off for the front because they don't fit, not even one bit. For the front, I used Rokblokz bolts here and here, and used a clip and double-sided tape along the contour line. For the build quality and the value for the money, I definitely recommend it.